While there are other web search engines like Bing and Yahoo, for this class we will be focusing on searching in Google because of its popularity. In this video, you will learn how to take keywords from a topic or thesis and develop effective searches using some of Google's advanced features. Some of the search techniques discussed at the beginning of this module work the same in Google, and some look slightly different but perform the same function. Let's work with the thesis statement from the previous module. Although animals should be respected, it is ethical to experiment on animals if the result is the cure for diseases like cancer, AIDS, or Alzheimer's. And use the keywords we developed from the thesis for our searches in Google: animal rights, animal testing, ethics, medical research, medicine, cancer, AIDS, Alzheimer's, cure, disease. Although you could enter a complete sentence like a thesis into Google and find some relevant results, it is still a better idea to construct searches using keywords. This will help you locate the best results because your search is focused and concise. Phrase searching was mentioned earlier in the module as placing quotation marks around keywords that form a phrase. This process works the same in Google. For example, animal rights. When we run the search, the number of results is around 17 million. Let's look at ways to narrow that number down by using Boolean operators in Google. You do not have to type the word "and" in between keywords for Google to understand that you want all of the keywords to appear in the items in the result list. To do this, you simply type your keywords with a space between them. If you want results containing the phrase animal rights that also discuss ethics, all you have to do is add ethics into the search box. This search brings the number of results down to over 3 million. In Google, you can use the OR Boolean operator just as you saw in the videos at the beginning of this module. Enter OR between the keywords and Google will return results that contain either keyword or both. For example, animal rights or animal research. To exclude results containing certain keywords, instead of adding the Boolean operator not and typing a keyword, place a minus sign directly in front of the keywords you do not want included in your search results. For example, animal rights, ethics, minus sign cosmetics. This is telling Google to find results that discuss animal rights and ethics, but filter out any item that includes cosmetics. A search like this can be useful since the thesis deals strictly with the ethics of animal testing for medical conditions. We can apply other search techniques in Google to create complex searches. You can nest keywords in Google. Just remember that the and not Boolean operators are set up differently. From the complex searching video earlier in the module, we nested search terms from our thesis in this way: animal testing as a phrase, and, in parentheses, cancer or AIDS or Alzheimer's. In Google, the search would look like this. When we run this search, the number of results is around 126,000. Google has many built-in codes that allow you to field search. Fields are pieces of information that web search engines and library databases keep on each item that they search. Fields can include titles, authors, web addresses, among others. Here are the best field search codes when Google searching. Site: By adding site: and a domain extension to your search, Google will limit the results to items from only that domain extension. For example, if you only wanted results from websites of colleges and universities, You could add site:/edu behind the search. After running the search, notice that all of the URLs in green under the titles are from .edu domain extension sites. Title: Many web pages have a title encoded into the HTML. Sometimes it is the same title as what you see on the web page, and in other cases it may be different. Using the code title: followed by keyword will return only items which have the keyword in the title. For example, if I place title: in front of animal rights, when I run the search, all of the titles in blue include the phrase animal rights. If the keyword appears in the title of the web page, it is likely that the information in the page is on that subject. File type: In addition to HTML-coded web pages, there are files of many other types available through the web. For example, PDF documents or MP3 audio files. To look for one of these specific types of file, add file type: and the format to your search. If I want only PDF files that contain the keyword phrase animal rights, I can add file type: PDF to my search. After running the search, notice that each one of the results has PDF in brackets before the title. If I click on a title, the PDF file will load. These search techniques will help you find more relevant results in Google. In a later module, you'll learn more about evaluating web sources and choosing the best items for your need.